We build cases for trial. We build your case for trial from day one. 99% of our cases don't go to trial. Most of the time, the insurance company will pay our client a fair settlement, and that is by far the best result. But you don't get a fair settlement unless your lawyer is investigating your case from the very beginning and working your case up as if it's going to go to trial. And so here's our philosophy, and it differs from a lot of lawyers. Our philosophy is from the moment we get your case, we start our investigation. We are never expecting a quick settlement. We're never expecting the insurance company to immediately start offering a fair amount. Now, what they will do, and they do this in almost every case, is they'll offer you a quick settlement, but it'll be small. What they're trying to do is they're trying to see if you'll jump at that, if you're desperate, if your lawyer's desperate. And so fortunately, we've been successful enough that we can take care of our clients while they're waiting. And so the most important thing we think, especially in a big case, is starting the investigation immediately. And then after that, every single step we take in your case, every expert we hire, every deposition we take, every witness we cross-examine, everything we do is we have one objective in mind, and that's winning your case in trial. And again, most of our cases never go to trial, but it's because we're getting them ready for trial. Look, there are a lot of lawyers out there. There are a lot of insurance companies that will try to get you to settle as quickly and for as small of an amount as you can. Every single case is developed for trial by a partner, not an associate, by a board-certified partner from day one. And then what happens is the insurance companies, they keep a list of lawyers. They know who knows what they're doing, and they know who's out for a quick buck. And so what they're looking for is what are these lawyers doing? Are these lawyers truly getting this case ready for trial? I mean, I'll give you a good example. I had a settlement about a month ago. That case didn't settle until 2 days before trial. The company was trying to get my client to take a couple $100,000. They offered him a little bit more. I said, no, your case is worth more. You need to hold out. And my client listened to me. And 2 days before trial, they offered multiple seven figures. But what these insurance companies do, they're very sophisticated and they work with very good lawyers, is they're testing you. They're testing your lawyers. They're seeing if you have the stamina. They're seeing if you have the willpower. Quite frankly, they're seeing if you have the courage to stick it out and make sure you get what's actually a fair settlement. And so your case will be developed for the courtroom from day one, which is absolutely not what most law firms do. Most law firms are developing their case for settlement from day one. What happens when you develop the case for settlement? You settle just for not that much. What happens when you develop the case for the courtroom from day one? You settle for a lot. And so, look, we don't mess around with the insurance companies. We're not going to take your case and send them a bunch of letters asking them to pay money, because you know what's going to happen? They're going to throw those in the trash can. What we're going to do from day one is find the witnesses. We're going to find the tangible evidence. We're going to find the digital evidence. We're going to find the video cameras, and we're going to get after it immediately. Because if they're not ready to pay you a settlement, we're going to have a jury do it. That's our philosophy. And so if you have a serious case, you need a serious lawyer. A serious lawyer does a serious investigation and gets your case ready for court from day one.